Ooh, strong. Strong fish, yes. Strong. My drag is up. Look. It's oh, strong. Huh? Yes. Oh.
Try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange.
Alright, good morning mga master, mga idol. Ayun, baka fishing. Fishon agad. Yun, nice catch, Cedric. Woo! Pishon si Cedric. Oh, master, nag-intro pa lang ako. Inauna nagbagsak si Cedric, paka fishing. Pishon ka agad. So yan, lipat ko lang kayo ng view para makapag-drop na. Woo, nice Cedric. Woo, pishon. Yun mga master, pishon na si Cedric, si paka fishing. Bago pala ako magda-drop, kaka-intro ko lang. Uy. Nice. Tayo, habol sa drop. Saglit lang, kinagatan agad siya oh.
Ilang ano lang.
Oo. Nice one, Cedric. Yun, dropping na agad mga master.
Baka fishing.
Baka fishing.
Tu peux faire after movie movie fight. Possible movie.
Video.
Yeah.
Goy. Where's your... Nice my friend. Yun, bottom na mga master. Kaya bante mo Goy, papunta dun sa kanya yung ano eh. Sana yung linya niya, tignan mo yung linya niya para hindi pumunta rito sa akin. Lapit na? Is it close, my friend? Slowly but surely. Strong fight. Oh, it's strong. Strong. It's big. Yes, that's big, my friend. Yes, that's big. Slowly but surely. Oh. No, it's not a tuna. I think it's ruby snapper, female. Yes, female ruby snapper. Female. Female. Yes, because it fight immediately when it strikes. Goy, sundan mo lang Goy, yung ano niya. Para hindi mapunta rito sa akin. Malayo na tayo. Dahilaan na tayo.
Ha?
Update lang mga master, mga idol. Angat ko lang to, baka sumabit yung ano, linya niya. Color na?
Opo.
Color? Do you see color?
Red. Red.
What color? Yo.
Red color.
White. White?
White?
It's a bit white. No, it's a ruby, I think.
Ruby ba?
Yes, ruby snapper. Ruby. Ruby snapper, my friend. Congratulations. Woo! Keep on reeling. Keep on reeling. Keep on reeling. Yun. Yung leader line niya. Release the spool, my friend. Release the spool. Sa ulo lang. Woo! Congrats! Kabila yan, boy. Ay, siya. Taranta. Woo! Nice catch, Cedric! Woo!
Baka fishing!
Baka fishing!
Like din!
Good job, good job! Woo!
Woo!
Woo! Nice, nice one! Kailan ko mag-under na tayo, malayo. Alright mga master, update lang. Update lang. Arriba lang kami, malayo. Yun mga master, dito na kami ulit sa spot. Medyo malayo-layo ang nahilaan ng ruby. Drop para makahabol ng huli. Alright, let's go. Tamba. Dropping. Bottom na mga master, mga idol.
One eternity later.
Balik lang. Mahaba. Drop again, Cedric?
What?
Drop again?
Huh?
I changed jig.
Change?
Yes. Smaller one. Maybe they don't like the longer one. It's 500 grams. 500 grams jig. There are times they don't want to strike longer jigs. That's why I'm changing to shorter jig.
C'est cool ça. Good color.
Yes.
Cédric, regarde.
Nice hooks.
Cédric, ok.
Proberus, yes. Also DIY. Yan mga master, palit mo na ng jig. Walang mag-strike sa mahaba eh. Subok tayo ng ano, ito. DIY repainted din. The jig, 300 grams naman to. Fluorescent purple. Yung pinil-test ko nakaraan.
C'est quoi? Ah, c'est new design ça.
Yes, new design.
Yeah.
Yung bottom na mga master.
C'est ça. C'est quoi ça? Musique? Pourquoi une musique?
Fish on, guys. Fish on. Thank you, Lord.
After Cedric.
Fish on. Uy, strong. Strong.
Girl. Femelle. Femelle.
Yes, I think so.
Femelle.
Female. Female. Strong.
Allez. Allez.
No.
À Jim. À Jim. Jim. Ah ouais, Eman. Yeah. Good video.
Yes. Recording. I said, if they don't want the long jigs, short jigs, try short jig. Then I get a strike.
Allez.
Ooh, strong. Strong fish, yes. Strong. My drag is up. Look. It's oh, strong. Huh? Yes. Oh. Woo. Wow. I love that sound of the reel, screaming reel.
Malaki.
Yes, malaki. Malaki. Woo. It's strong, Cedric. It's big. Yes, it's big. My drag is almost full. And whew, this is big. Uy. Grabe. Ang lakas. Pagod na rin yan. Almost full na yung drag ko. Nahila niya pa. 14.9 kilos ang drag nito. Max drag. 14.9 kilos. 14.9 kilos max drag. And this is almost full. Yes. This is
My girl. Nice girl.
He will be tired eventually. Huh?
Win.
10 fathom. Yes, yes. Oh.
Mission?
Oops. 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 Slowly but surely, my friend. No, I don't think so. The line's vertical. It's not a pelagic. Maybe it's a big ruby snapper. Or also the current, maybe. Also helping the fish. Oh, look at that bend, my friend. Nice fight. Ooh. No. Up. Okay. Coming up. Coming up. Oh, come here, buddy. Strong fish, but I think I'm stronger. No fight in him. Whoo. Power, mga master. Woo.
Grabe.
Power yung ano, 300 grams na bagong repaint natin. Na DIY repainted. Tama ba DIY? O DIY. Grabe. Oops. Yeah. Yeah. Oops. Ooh, still strong. My goodness. The fish is still strong. He still have a fight in him. My goodness. Goy, malapit na to, Goy. Ganzu. Yung ganzu ni paring Daboy. Yeah. Lapit mo sa akin. Oop. Still fighting. Oops. Bilisan mo, Goy. I will gaff the fish. Just put it there, close to me. Oop. Oops. No color yet. No, I will gaff the fish. Just, yes. Oops. Grabe. Goy, liko mga kaliwa, Goy. Malikot pa rin. Ano to? What fish is this? No color yet. No. I can see it. Oops. Oh, there's a color. I see the shadow of the fish. Still fighting. My goodness. Whew. Yeah. Oops. 40 meters. Still fighting. My goodness. What's this fish? What species? Oh no, still ruby, but a big one. Big ruby. Whew. Color, guys. Color.
Big.
Yes, big ruby. Color. There's the color. Whew, still fighting. Ruby snapper, guys. Ayan. Big ruby. Nice fight. Uy, no, it's an amberjack. My goodness. Amberjack. Amberjack. Big amber. Thank you, Lord. Ang laki, amberjack.
Fuck.
Fish secured. It's an amberjack. My goodness.
Big.
It's an amberjack. Maybe double digit amberjack. My goodness, that's why it's strong. Okay guys, ubos na guys. Speed na ako ng bala ng English.
Nice.
Power. It's a different species. A big amberjack. Maybe double digit amberjack.
Alidin. Discretion.
Wait. I'll secure the rod and reel first.
Alidin. Ale.
Ole! It's heavy, my friend. Thank you, Lord. Grabe, power ang amberjack. Mayroon talaga dito. Grabe. Drain na, sakto. Tapos ang laban, drain yung isang camera. Oh my goodness. Yes. Grabe naman. Lupit. Lucky oh. Yes. My second amberjack here. Second, yes.
Second?
Yes, second amberjack caught here.
1 year?
No, this year. 2-3 months ago.
2-3 months?
Oh, 3 months ago. Big, good fight.
Fight.
Yes.
Yeah, good fight.
Very good fight. Whew.
Yes. Allez, good sport. Allez.
All to my friend. Grabe, kain na kain niya yung ano. Kawil sa loob. Tapa.
Comme ça, Jim.
Ha?
Fais comme ça.
Yes, wait. Whew, thank you, Lord. Wait. No. Yeah. Wait. Whew, it's big. Oops. Walang bigat talaga.
Jim, fallait passer comme ça.
Yes. Yes. I can do it. Wait. I will first. Oh, look. Watch out for the hook. Whew, it's big. It's huge. Almost. Aray ko. Monster EJ. My goodness. Power. Thank you. Monster EJ. My goodness. You cannot lift eh. Uy, dandan kayo sa ano. Guys, update na lang guys ha. Yun, ayun na nga mga master. Dito na ulit kayo sa spot. Power. Grabe, sarap ng laban nun. Mga double digit talaga yun. More or less 20 kilos na AJ, amberjack. Power talaga to. Fluorescent purple, 300 grams. Whew. Power. Laki. Grabe. Drop ulit, isa pa, hanggang 8:30 lang kami. Sarap, almost agad yung drag ko, hila niya. Grabe. Oops. What happened? Okay. Grabe, power. Alright. Fluorescent purple. Dropping again. Lupit. Sarap ng laban talaga. Nga pala mga master, mga idol, yung first 15 shout out dito yan, pati yung mga nagpapa shout out sama ko na dito mga master, mga idol. At muli ako ay taos pusong nagpapasalamat sa lahat po ng mga patuloy na sumusuporta, old subscribers, new subscribers, silent viewers, sharers. Maraming salamat po. Sa ganitong paraan mapasalamatan, ganitong paraan ko lang kayo mapapasalamatan sa ngayon. Salamat po talaga. Maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless po sa inyo lahat. At yung sa yung sa mga areas na affected ng mga bagyo, stay safe po. Stay safe po kayo palagi.
A few moments later.
Yun mga master, update. 8:07 in the morning. Lumakas na talaga yung current. So catch update. Naka isang strike, isang landed ako. Amberjack, more or less 20 kilos. At si Cedric Paka Fishing ay nakakuha naman ng isang ruby snapper. So goods ang aming lakad ngayon. Nakatag-isa kaming isda. Goods na yon. Enough na para sa aming family. Yan, shout out Paka Fishing. Yan. Yung video ng catch niya, panoorin nyo na lang sa page niya, Paka Fishing mga master, mga idol. Kaibigan na ano, pinili ang manirahan dito sa ating lugar. Ayun, until next fishing adventure mga master, mga idol, fish on!
Cause I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11, 11, it's time for progression. Oh!
You try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Bloody hands break through the chains, go free me. But last sheep move free, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they sleep. You better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try to change, you can say no, free me.
So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse.